from cameras on things. We bought the new Dji Mavic Mini. This is the combo version, which comes in a nice box with the transmitter, 3 batteries and charger, and lots more. The package is nice and clear. As you can see, inside you'll find this grey bag to carry the drone around and some smaller boxes. Inside the bag, you will find the drone, it looks great, and also the transmitter, which is really small. You will have to unfold the antennas. On top, you'll find the shutter button. The joysticks are hidden on the bottom and are revealed when you unfold the transmitter. You will also find this charger that will charge 3 batteries and needs a micro USB cable. Dji also provides 2 micro USB cables and a screwdriver for propeller replacement. A set of replacement joysticks are also provided. In the combo set, you will find 3 batteries. If you have other DJI drones, you will like how small they are. Here there are also some manuals. Okay, let's connect the smartphone with the provided cable to the transmitter. This is not so easy, but Dji provides adapters for micro USB Type-C and iPhone. Unfold all arms and turn the drone on. After installing the Dji app, you will be ready to fly. This was straightforward and flying is incredibly easy. The drone is very stable and videos look great, but they are only 2K 30 FPS. Pictures are good, but RAWs are not possible. What I like of the drone is that it is really small and easy to carry, even easier than the DJI Spark, which we sold to buy the Mini. I like the picture quality and the videos are also good. Because of the corona situation, I didn't try how far it can fly, but other videos show a good range up to 2 kilometers. Battery time is great, up to 30 minutes too. What I didn't like is that all cables are micro USB and that pictures are only in JPEG format. If you want 4K videos and RAW pictures, DJI wants you to buy something else. Thank you for watching and bye!